Good morning, y'all. I know I'm looking crazy. Y'all probably can't even hardly see me, but I just want to, they talking about people being careful and aware of your surroundings and everything. Well, this morning, my daughter's car was behind mine. I had backed in, so my car, I'm backed in, so I'm facing the road, when I get out. And so she came in late last night, and I don't think she even seen it. But anyway, she asked me, she said, whose cell phone is that? I was like, huh? So I called my son. I said, well, did you leave your cell phone out here? And he looked, he had his cell phone on it. So I'm like, okay, well, why would somebody's cell phone be in my yard like that? Because it's in close proximity to her car. So I'm headed to church. Y'all got to excuse me with these flicks because some of my rollers didn't act right. Some of my hair wasn't dry. But anyway, so I called the sheriff department to make a complaint because, you in this day and age, the way things happening and stuff like that, why would somebody's cell phone be in my yard? And so I called my daughter. I said, look, I called the sheriff department about it. She said, well, okay, because I was going to put on some gloves and try to see if there's a screensaver or something on it. Look, there is no reason after dark for you to be in nobody's yard, especially if you're not going to ring the doorbell, right? All right. So I'll tell y'all later. Just be careful out there, y'all. There are a lot of things going on with women. And they, you know what I read? I read that African-American women body parts are the most expensive in the black market. You think about that. African-American women organs are the most profitable in the black market. So protect yourself, be aware of your surroundings, and hey, I don't believe in violence, but I do believe in self-defense. Be blessed, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Have a fantastic day. Praise God from wherever you are. Much love. Bye.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home.